Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to make 4 different pleats. I will begin with the knife pleat, which is the most simple. I need first to identify the pleat depth by marking the fabric with the fold line, the placement line and the inside fold line. I place the fold line on the placement line and I pin before stitching. Then I press. To make an inverted pleat, I mark the pleat center, the fold and the placement line. I make 2 knife pleats facing each other so the fold line touch. I pin. And stitch. The box pleat is the opposite of the inverted pleat. I mark the same lines. Then I lay the folds away from the center. I pin. And stitch. Pintucks are a succession of narrow folds. After identifying the length and the spacing between the pintucks, I baste the fold lines. Then I stitch at 2 mm from that line. I remove the basting thread and I press. You know now how to make this 4 pleats. Thanks for watching.